Hello and welcome back to lesson 22 in the creation of our school management system with the GeForce IT Service Academy using Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. In lesson 21, we have done something like this. We have inserted our various buttons. In lesson 21, we inserted the various buttons here: the add, the save, the reset, the close, the search, the update buttons, the add photo buttons. So in this lesson 22, we are going to continue with the necessary formatting and the necessary editing on this teachers data entry user form. So if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you watch the video from the beginning to the end. Please watch from the beginning to the end so that you can be able to understand everything perfectly. And don't forget to turn on the notification button so that the next video that we will upload on this lesson, you'll be able to receive the notification. Don't also forget to check the description of this video for more video links to more of our school management system development trainings. Don't forget to check the description and have access to our other videos, our other education videos. All right, so let's just dive into this lesson without wasting much time. So let's just close this here. Then let's go back to the design mode like this. Then let's select all this. Let's select all. So select all like this. You left click and hold. Then we select all like this. Good. So press and hold Control on the computer keyboard. Then let's select all these ones too, like this. Then you press and hold again. We select sorry. Okay, so let's select all this. Good. Now let's come to color. Let's come to color here. Then let's go to the palette here. Then let's try to change the color to green. Good. I think something like that will be okay. Then the border color. Let's go to the palette and let's change the border color to something red like this. Okay, so let's come to the font. Let's go to the font. Then we select Times New Roman like this. Then we would like it to be bold. Then we would like to maintain it like this one, 12. Let's select 12. Then okay, so we have it there, but we need to reduce the font size a little bit. So let's move it to 11 like this. We still need to reduce it, so let's maintain 10. So let's go to 10 here like this. So let's click on OK. So we have it up and running there. So let's come to color. The color, I think the black is okay, but let's go to the palette and let's change it to white and see. I think we should maintain the black rather. So let's maintain the black rather. So let's go to test alignment here. Let's come to center. Is it good? Yes. So let's come to the width here. Let's come to the width. I think we should maintain that one there. Okay, so now let's come back. Let's click on the form itself here, the frame. Inside the frame here, we want to change the color of the frame. So the color of the frame, we need to change it. So let's come to the palette and let's see what is going to happen. Okay, so the back color, let's go to the back color of the frame. Let's go to the palette here. Let's change it. This one is not nice at all. So let's bring it to this one. It's not nice at all. Let's just go back. Let's try to select something like this. I think this is not bad. Then let's go to the back color again. Then let's try to select something like this. My color combination. Select this one. I think this is cool, so let's just change this one to blue. Let's change this one to blue. So control, press and hold control. So press and hold control on the keyboard. Let's select all these like this. Let's select all this as well. Then we go to back color. We go to back color, then we go to the palette here. Let's change this one to blue and let's see what is going to happen. We have forgotten to select the option buttons. We have forgotten to select them, but let's maintain them like that. We'll come back to them. But before we move to the other thing, let's select them as well. So press and hold control on the keyboard. Okay, so let's leave it. Now let's come to the fore color. Let's come to the fore color here. Let's change the fore color to pure black like this. Good. Then the alignment, the text alignment, let's check. So let's align right and see. Okay, so let's align left. Let's align left like this. Good. So I think we have something nice there. So let's just come back to the form itself here. Let's come to the fore color and then let's change it to white. Good. Okay, so let's select the various labels one after the other. Let's write this one. Let's shorten this one. So phone number. So phone NO. Let's come to the caption here. So phone NO like this. I think we are good to go. So we have it there. Then year of promotion. Let's change that one to year of promotion. So we have this one there like this. Enter. Then we come to this one, gross salary. Sorry. Then gross salary. We change it to gross sal. Then you press enter. I think we are good to go now. I think we have something nice here. So let's try to change the fore color to white and let's see. So you press and hold control on the keyboard. Then we change the fore color to white and let's see what is going to happen. So let's come to the fore color here. Let's try to change it to white and let's see what is going to happen. I think this is not bad. I think this white color is not bad. Okay, so let's click outside the frame. Let's click outside the frame and let's give it a color. So back color. Let's go to this one here. Let's go to the palette. Let's give it this color and see. Okay, but let's try to give it a different color. I think this is not bad. This color is not all that bad. Let's select this one and see. This is cool. Okay, so let's come to this one inside this particular frame here. Let's give it a color. So let's go to the palette here. Let's try to give it something like this. Is it okay? Let's try to give it something like this. I think this is okay. I think this color is okay. So now we are good to go. So let's just run this form here and see how it will appear on our computers. Good. So we have something nice like this. I think this one is okay. So we don't want this video to be long, so we would like to end this one here and continue in lesson 23. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification button for all. Like and share our videos with your friends and family members. Thank you very much for watching. Let's meet in lesson 23. Bye bye.